Hi everyone, this is your Kuya Nikki and Kuya Michael. We're here at Niagara College.
Teaching winery.
Teaching winery at Niagara College on the Lake campus. We're, we're gonna introduce you one of one of the students in Niagara College who's taking a brewery,
Beverage business.
beverage business. Okay. Hello, this is Mark. Can you introduce yourself, Mark?
Hi guys, my name is Mark Briswa. I am a returning student here at Niagara College. I'm in the beverage business management program, so I'm going to be selling alcohol, running an estate, that sort of thing. I won't be making the beer or wine. Niagara College does have a winemaking program, a brew making program, and a distillery making program. So if you guys love beer, love wine, love spirits, come to Niagara College. It's quite incredible. It's a mosaic of people and cultures and creeds. There's no better place. So
Yeah.
come on in.
Yeah, and thank you very much, Mark. And Mark, how's the job opportunity of your program? Is it hard to find a job
So
after?
that's a really good question. Before the program I'm in now used to be called the wine business program, and now this is the first time this program has had a beverage business management program, so it's encompassing all sorts of alcohol together. From what I understand, there are people, because this is we'll be the first graduates of this program, so I can't tell you what employment opportunities will be like. I can say the breweries are exploding all over Canada, wine is taking off, spirits are as popular as ever. There's no better time to learn now, so come on here.
Yeah, this is your what, first year or second year?
First year. So
First.
it's a postgraduate certificate program.
So is it a 2 year?
It's a 1 year.
1 year
So
program.
you have to have a degree before
Yes.
you can take this program.
Perfect. And so why did you take this program, by the way?
Because I kept having dreams about wine and beer, believe it or not. I used to be a roofer. I was an apprentice plumber for a very brief time. I've done a lot of dirty jobs. I've worked a lot of hard days. And one day I just kept having dreams about walking in a vineyard. And
Yeah.
now I'm here.
Well, thank you very much, Mark. You're gonna be inspiring everyone, especially our kababayan. We call it kababayan. It's called Filipino.
I hope so.
To come and visit here in the distillery location in Niagara College on the Lake campus. So once again, this is open for international students as well.
Of course.
Yeah, like what Mark said, he has a friend here who works also here in this shop, and also a Filipino. His name is Rick, right?
Rick,
Yeah, and you are working in
I am.
campus, considered.
I work here and I study here as well.
So you are allowed to work more than 20 hours.
So I'm not an international student.
So you can
I
work-
can't deny. I can't say whether you can or not. I know there are laws.
Yes, because
So-
basically for international student, outside the campus, they're only allowed to work 20 hours.
Yeah.
But inside campus, they can work 40 hours or more.
If you have a schedule that allows that, yeah, but doing school in 40 hours might be a tough challenge for sure.
Yes. So Mark, thank you very much. I know you do inspire it, but okay. So I'm gonna flex the
Give a quick tour, maybe.
tour here.
You guys do what you got to do.
Thank you very much, Mark.
Thank you so
Let's
much,
go
Mark.
make back.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so ito po yung ano nila. Yan. By the way, yung campus nandun lang po sa labas.
Yes, it's across the street. Okay.
Ayan po. Ayan. At may mga wine po nila dito. Uy! Uy, kumusta? Kumusta bro? Kabayan, kumusta?
Okay lang kabayan.
Anong balita? Taga saan ka sa atin?
Iligan, shout out, Iligan.
Oh, pabir-bir lang ah. Ito yung literally nag-chill lang. So dito po, mayroon din po silang dito, grapes. At saka meron din po silang dito, cannabis. Once again, cannabis is legally dito, legalized here in Canada. Basta lang po, abide lang kayo sa rules. Yan. Ang ganda dito. Yan. So guys, nandito po kami sa Niagara College on the Lake campus sa brewery and distillery nila. Ayun. Actually, ang daming work po dito regarding sa wine. Ano, sa mga hotels, sa cruise ship. Yan. Yan yung mga product nila. So, nandito is mga international student din nandyan. Or mga local students. So, meron po silang cold craft beer. Tawag po nila. And meron din silang cold cider beer. Ayan. Ano bang kaibahan nito, Kuya Mikmik?
Blend.
Yeah.
So yung craft beer yung more of the hipster type.
Ah,
More, depende kasi sa artisan ka ba na umiinom or tomadero ka lang sa atin.
ayan.
So may iba rin yung components ng cider at saka ng craft. Yung craft beer, I think, kaya ito may IVP pa sila.
Oh.
I think sa Tagalog ko yun yung gano'ng kaswabe or yung aftertaste after mo inumin.
Let's ask the expert.
See, yes, let's ask the expert.
Hey, Mark. I have a question.
Shoot.
People wants to know what's the difference between a craft beer and a cider beer.
A cider. So a cider isn't a beer. Ciders
Oh.
are typically no.
Okay.
Ciders are typically going to be made with apple.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Usually, yeah. We will have something called a cherry cider, which will have apple and cherry.
Uh-huh.
Craft beer, on the other hand, is going to be made with malts. So a pale malt for a lager, a chocolate malt for a porter, caramel malt for a Vienna, or an amber beer. And never mind, there's the difference between a lager and an ale, which is all about where the fermentation process takes place and
Wow.
temperatures and whatnot. It's super confusing. The top 10 beers out of the beer store are lagers, which kind of shows where the palate of the
Yeah.
Canadian person is.
Does it, maybe the alcohol percentage, it doesn't.
Oh, you mean like ABV?
Yeah.
So ABV is the alcohol content. Lagers will typically not have a high ABV. Some lagers may. It'll be like artificially
Uh-huh.
introduced into the beer, but usually beers aren't in general aren't gonna have. Excuse me, sorry, I got like the hiccups.
okay.
Lagers aren't gonna have that much ABV. Our lagers, our Pilsner, our lager, they have like a 5.5% ABV, which is normal.
Yeah. So guys, like I said, it's information overload, but like I said, Mark is still a student and he has those all information. So like once again, I want you guys to come visit Niagara College website, and you can choose the program, choose the brewery or the business brewery
There's
side.
the
Yes.
wine and horticulture and the brewing program.
Yes, and what are those plants that they see outside? Do you know, like those are grapes?
Those are so that's the vineyards where we grow our grapes.
Uh-huh.
If you walk over to your right and you look past this white tent, you're going to see some posts that are sticking up from the ground, and that's where we grow the hops for beer.
Oh, so
They've been harvested, of course,
So-
because of the time of the year. But yeah,
okay. Or are all the beers made?
on site, absolutely.
Oh God.
We have a brewery. Obviously, we have a brew making program, but our brewery is just located over there.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna try to pass by later on. So guys, all the beers and wines are made locally here in the campus. So once guys, thank you very much again, Mark, for those information.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna continue the. So guys, you should come here and witness in person. Lalo na mga kababayan natin, you if you want to come here and enjoy a non-busy campus. Mga ayaw sa mga syudad, mga ayaw sa traffic.
Kuya Nicky, yung view, makikita nila yung mga...
Yeah, pinakita ko kanina eh. So, sabi niya ni Mark, lahat ng mga product nito are locally made here in the campus.
Yes,
So,
to
lahat ng
support
nakikita
local.
po niyo dyan, mga wine, beers, and everything are made dito sa campus. Kaya po, ito yung mga wine nila. Makikita niyo po, may nakalagay dyan, NC. Niagara College. Yan. Wow.
So, may nag-phone in-message Kuya Nicky, bili daw ako ng mga wine.
May order na si Kuya Mick. Ayun. So, i-flex ko na lahat ng mga types of wine nila dito. It's so nice, guys. So, they have a gin made up by locally din, Niagara College. And meron din sila mga what do you call this one? Fruit spirit. Lahat sila Niagara College made. Ayun. Ayun, may mga ano dito pang gift pack, ano? Pang gift. So these are like tropical heat. Ayan, may mga gin din sila. Actually, this is a program na hindi natin nabigyan ng ano talaga ng pansin. But this is a growing industry program. Yan. Ito yung mga baso nila. Yun. So sabi niya yung cider is not a beer. Nagkamali nga ako. Kala ko craft and cider. Yun. Tao lang po. All I know. Yun nga, at least alam ko na ang difference ng a beer and a cider. Yun. So ito yung campus bus. So on and Tommy. Yan. So if you are here in on-the-Lake campus, punta lang ko sa left side of the makikita niyo yung distillery and brewery nila. So andun po. Ayun po si Kuya Mick. Yan. So makikita niyo po yan sa labas. Nandyan po lahat ng nila. Yan, labas tayo. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin lumabas. Ayun. Pwede tayo lumabas. Ang ganda guys, oh. So lahat ng wines, grapes, lahat ng mga nila dito na ingredients sa wines is dito po nila pinapalaki. Yan. Flex ko pa, yung campus is nandito lang po, Niagara College campus. Nandito lang po siya. Ayan, that's the Niagara College campus. Yan po, sobrang laki. Makikita po yung building na doon. Yun po yung residence. Ito po yung campus mismo. Kanina, nanggaling po kami sa Welland campus. Ngayon naman, nandito kami sa on-the-Lake campus ng Niagara College. Ayan. Hello po kay Christine Maceda. Thank you very much for watching, Christine. So, magkano ba yung tuition fee roughly dito sa Niagara College? Is roughly nasa 16 to almost 17,000. Yung 1 year na program. But through Sun-Cor, we can offer you a $2,000 scholarship. So roughly magiging 14 to 15,000 na lang po yung 2 years na program. So if you guys are excited na paubos na kasi yung slot, please contact me, Kuya Nicky, or please contact Sun-Cor para makakuha tayo ng slot. Yun. And brewery is one of the growing industry. Hindi po siya talaga kasi maraming umiinom, wine, beers, lahat din. So guys, papasok na ako. Yan. Ayan. Sa loob tayo. So yup, I'm wearing the Niagara College hoodie. Uy, may nauli ako. Ano Kuya Mick?
Good trivia. Something to learn.
Ano yung trivia mo?
Na natutunan ko for today. Kasi kunyari kami sa bahay, bibili kami ng steak. Steak kami, tapos kahit anong wine, di ba? Dapat pala itong Sauvignon.
Huh?
Ang wine, i-prepare with meat.
Oo.
So, imagine in that 1 minute conversation, dahil ko natutunan sa kanya in terms of wine. So, ito,
Ayan.
bibili ako nito.
Ayan, si Kuya Mick, dadalhin niya sa Alberta. So, pwede kang allowed ka to bring?
Yes, basta check-in, pwede. Ginugoogle na nila ngayon kung may limit ba ako or hindi. Kasi sa hand carry, I think 21 ml, no?
Yes.
So,
Ayun.
right now,
Uy, may kabayan din tayo. Ayun, mabihira. Kabayan, ano nangyari? Sabi ko, taste lang eh. Naubos eh. Ayan po. May free ano kami, Sun-Cor. May libre po kaming beer tasting. Only Sun-Cor has kasi nga partner kami. Nag-ano din kami na makapag-tour dito. Ayan. So this end up our tour here in the brewery and distillery sa Niagara College on the Lake campus. Once again guys, I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate na nandun din kayo mga videos ng mga kuyas. If you need more information about Niagara College, please reach out to me. Reach out to Sun-Cor. And also, ang ginagawa namin to help rin kababayan na makapunta dito. Before man sila pumunta dito is ma-check muna lahat what's going on. Yun. So once again, thank you very much. Stay safe and God bless everyone.